Good morning everyone, and this is today's learning intention. This week we are basically going to be assessing everything that we've learned over the past sort of half term and a bit. And what we're going to sort of do is we're going to split the 3 online lessons into the sort of main topics we've been looking at in maths, and that is place value, addition and subtraction. So today's lesson is going to be about place value. So the learning intention is, can I tell you what the value of different digits are, so that I can explain what I know about numbers 1 to 100. So the main things that we need to know about are the values of the numbers. How many tens does it have? How many ones does it have? We need to think about the different ways you can make the same number using the tens and ones, or how we can solve different problems that maybe have missing numbers in them. So if we know what the values, how many tens and ones there are in a number, we can see what's already there and what's missing, so we can solve the answers, solve the problems. One thing we also need to be able to do is we need to be looking at how we can count in both ones, twos, fives and tens by knowing the values of the numbers. So if I start at 2 and I'm counting in tens, then I'm just going to, the ones are going to stay the same. So it's going to go 2, but then it's just going to get 10 bigger. So 2, 12, 22, 32 and so on.